Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed that montage I made. It actually took a very long time to edit. I had to dig through a lot of video. Yeah, but here is the trophy truck, the one you just watched, all done. I'd say all done, ready to go. But this is still a work in progress. As you can see, the cage is totally raw. I plan to paint it black, but you know what guys? Go ahead and drop what color you want down in the comments. I'd like to see what you guys have to offer. But black's my main choice, just keep it simple. I think it would make everything on the inside really pop out. Yeah, so here's the truck right here. I'll give a little summary for you guys, a little verbal summary for you. I know I said I wasn't going to do any verbal dialogue, but yeah, I lied. But what's new with the truck, I'll start it off. I'm not sure if I addressed this, but there's our nice new double front shocks. Those came out real nice. But the engine that's in it is an LRP 28. Making about 4 horsepower. The thing is great. It's got a 2-speed transmission all the way down there. The rims and tires are from Veloci Tenacity. It's a discontinued truck, so unfortunately these might be the last set I'll have of these. They are a real nice wheel and tire. It looks super nice on this truck. And servos all the way around are EcoPower. This is the brushless one. And then the one that's underneath the paneling, let me flip it around for you. This is another EcoPower. That's the 110T. This is the 120T. Suspension works great. The main ones are hot racing. I just got one on the rear for now. I plan to make another one just like this. But they're hot racing. That's 120 millimeter. These are both 90 millimeter. These springs on here are not stock. I just dug them up and they actually work pretty good on this truck. This thing drops down pretty good. I gotta say, I got it to where it's not super bouncy on the front. I could probably add a little bit more oil on there, as you can see. Move to the back. The gas tank is from a Losi Truggy, and these are the backup Proline paddle tires. I just gotta get some rims for them. It's also got a special zip-tied battery. Gotta love that. But this thing just runs so smooth. Does crazy donuts, crazy burnouts. Well, that's a quick little summary for you guys. And always remember, I got a whole playlist. I'll link it right up there. Go ahead, check out that playlist. Everything that you saw in that video is pretty much mentioned in the playlists, just more in depth. So if you really want to dig into this truck, go ahead and watch those. The body that's on the truck is a 2010 Silverado. It's a Proline body. This, like the tires, is also discontinued. So I'm sorry, people who want to pick this one up. And thank you so much for checking out my video. I've been dreaming of making a video like this for so long, and I've finally been able to do it. So that's all from Haywire RC. Check out those videos. Alright, I'll see you later.